everyone, this is Coach Julio, and I am so excited to be showing you one of my own favorite exercises. It's my T push-up with side press. So if you don't know what a T push-up is, I'll show you really briefly, and then I'll show you to my classic branded side press with weights. So here is Coach Julio style of T push-up. There's a letter T, I'm stable. My legs are not stacked, my feet rolled over completely. My hips are high, they're not dropped. Coach Julio, little flavor. So I do a push-up, I turn, I'm stable, my hips are high. Here's the pull, I'm not bringing it away from the body. Stabilize, inhale, exhale. I do it until it's dinner time, that's a joke. And then I bring it back down the same way. Roll it to the other side, repeated rinse. So one of the cool things about that, multi-joint, a lot of stabilization, gets your core, gets your obliques. It's a fantastic exercise. Focus on reps, quality over quantity. Let me know what you think. Post your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.